What's the central atom going to be?
Carbon.
Yeah, carbon, right? That's a great guess. All right, carbon, 4 dots, right? Okay. And then what do we do next with this one? Just try to connect stuff, right? So I'm going to spread things out because nature likes to do that. So I'll put an N over here and an H over here, all right? How many dots does the H get? 1. So we know the H probably is going to be connected to the carbon, so we'll just kind of do that there. And then the nitrogen, how many dots does it get?
5.
It gets 5, and 3 of them are by themselves, right? So that means the nitrogen needs to bond 3 times, right? Okay, so where am I going to put the double bond for the nitrogen so that this can bond 3 times to something?
The right side.
Yeah, the right side. So if you kind of plan it out in your head a little bit, it'll make it a lot quicker when you connect these things together. All right, now you can see carbon and nitrogen are going to bond, and then you're going to have another bond down here, and then another one up here as well. All right, everybody cool with that? Does anyone have an isomer of this? No, that's the only way we can do this one, right? Okay, cool. All right, let's look at the shape. Let's figure out if it's correct. So we have carbon here. What's the AXE for this one? All right, AX2, good. So we have AX2. What's the shape then? Good, triatomic linear. If it's triatomic linear, what's the hybridization? Good, SP, good. All right, so hybridization. What's the angle? 180, good. 180 degrees. Okay, now we need to make sure that it actually is linear. Is it linear? Yeah, it looks pretty linear, right? Let's clean it up a little bit though. Let's make it look a little bit better and then figure out if it's polar, non-polar, or ionic. All right, so to clean it up, I would do H, C, N, which looks pretty similar to that. Now we need some electronegativities. We know that hydrogen is 2.1, carbon's 2.5, and what's nitrogen? 3.0. All right, so now we're going towards the more electronegative. So I'll draw a little arrow there. The difference here, 0.4. The difference here, 0.5. So overall, it's going in that direction, right? And it's more than 0.4. So that tells us that it's going to be what? Yeah, it's going to be polar, exactly. How do we show that it's polar besides writing polar?
Slightly negative.
Yeah, we need the slightly negative and slightly positive lowercase deltas to show us that, all right?